Hey y'all, welcome back to the Beauty Room with Just a Girl. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe to the channel. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to just go through some of my favorite must-have products. I've gotten this question a few times as far as like what are my favorite products, and I have so many favorites, but I'm going to keep it to like 10 favorite must-haves that I feel like I need all the time. Okay. And I'm going to, let me just grab my makeup bag, because you know I always have this bag right next to me. I decided to grab this whole thing. This is what I kind of like keep with me while I'm sitting in my little office beauty room space in my bedroom. So I'm going to just go through my favorite, and I'm going to start with brows first. A brow pencil is, in my opinion, using a pencil versus like a pomade is much easier to manage, especially if you're trying to get to know how to learn how to do your brows and just have more control. So I absolutely love Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. It has the spoonie with, like, you know, you can brush your brows, and then it has the pencil, which I'm all out. I am all out, so I need a new one. So I love this so much. I go between using this one, and they actually have a pencil one where you can sharpen it. So I do have one somewhere, but I need to get another one. And I use shade dark brown. So when it comes to brows, absolutely need this. Okay, so back to the base. So we're going to always use our Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum. I love this serum so much. It is a priming face serum, and it is, I use the shade Juicy Boost. So you apply this under your makeup, or you can wear it on. Sometimes I put it on by itself just to have an extra glow to my skin. So that's why I love this. So I always apply this before I do any makeup. And it's very affordable. Like, I feel like this might have been like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, is $30 affordable? Maybe that's a little bit expensive. So, but it's good, and it's a little goes a long way. Okay, so we're gonna use her. Okay, I have two favorite foundations right now, like favorite. And one of these I think is underrated. I don't think it's talked about much because it's not like I don't know, it's not popular right now. I love the Smashbox foundation. This is the always on foundation. When I tell you, this foundation is so amazing. It is very lightweight. It is like it's a very loose, watery base, which I love, and it just like gives you a smooth finish. I would say that this is a medium, but it could be buildable for full coverage. This is the Skin, what is this, balancing foundation, and I wear shade D20W. It is so good. Now the other foundation that I love so much, they're very similar. This is the Patrick Ta foundation. Okay, and I wear shade what do I wear, 21 Neutral, and this has a long name. This is the Magic Skin Hydration Luminous Skin Perfection Foundation. Now these two, again, they remind me so much of one another, because they have that very like luminous, loose, very like watery, like it's not thick. It still makes your skin look like skin. So I really love them both. I feel like I just go between when I'm going for a full beat, I would just pick whichever one. Like, it doesn't really to me matter which one, because they both make me, like, it just makes my skin look flawless. So I love them so much. So I must have, these are in my foundation routine right now. Now, if I'm not using like a foundation, I must have my e.l.f. Oh my gosh, this Halo Glow liquid filter. This, to me, again, I like to use it when I wear a full beat, but people wouldn't call this a foundation. Some people use this under their foundation. I don't do that. Again, I have like pretty normal skin. I don't have too many blemishes that I need to like layer this and then something on top of it. This is so good. It is, oh my God. I wear shade, what's this, number 8 Rich. It is so good. It has like this like thick applicator where I just rub it on my face. And this is very affordable. This was probably like, I don't know, like, was it like maybe $20? I got it from Ulta, I'm sorry. Now the Patrick Ta foundation is expensive. This is like $60. I'm not gonna lie, about $60. I ain't gonna lie, it's expensive. And the Smashback foundation was gifted to me But I think it retails for like $35-$40, so it's still on the higher end. But the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter, if you are more of a no makeup girl, you need this. This is a very, very, very good substitute if you don't want to do foundation, but also want coverage. She's a must. I think I'm gonna be over 10 because I already then gave y'all what I gave y'all 4 products or 5 already. Oh my god. Okay, 5. Okay. When it comes to concealer, I love, love, love. My favorite concealer is the Fenty Wear Even concealer. Love this concealer. This is going to give you that full cover under the eye, remove dark spots, all the things. I wear shade 390C. She's just so good. It just blends so nicely. It's very even, you know, it matches the name, but it's just so good. And it goes well with a no makeup look, a full glam. Like, it's just, she's that girl. So you need, this is a must have in my routine. Must have. Over all the concealers that I have, this is my favorite, absolute favorite. Next, I'm going to go with, I'm into bronzer. Okay, now that I know how to use my bronzers properly, it can be cream, liquid. I like the Juvia's Place. This is the cream bronzer in shade Espresso. I like this. I also like one of my favorites is my Subtle Beauty. This is a Subtle Stack. I don't have the balm. Where's the balm? The bronzing balm in shade Ganache. Very, very, very radiant and creamy and glowy. It's going to give that glow. So, and then when it comes to a powder bronzer, my favorite must have, right, has been for a while, is my Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty. Favorite. I have other ones that I like, but this one I've been loving. And again, now that I know how to use my bronzer properly, she's definitely going to get used even more. Okay. And when it comes to setting my face, under eye powder, Cocoa Beauty Power Powders. This is in a shade Malby. She is the perfect, I want to open it up and make a mess, but it's like the perfect shade for my skin tone. It's like a hair lighter, which we want for the under eye, but it's not like super white and casket ready. So this is my favorite. She's expensive. I'm not going to lie. It's about maybe $55. But again, you get a lot. You get a good amount in this. So this is a must have. And when it comes to my setting my under eyes and where I put my concealer. Now, when it comes to setting my entire face, my favorite is my MAC. This is the Deep Darkest Mineralizer Skin Finish. So this is my favorite. I've been using this for a while when I set my entire face. So this is a must have when it comes to setting your entire face. I love this. It's a staple in my routine. It just works. Now, when it comes to a lash, my favorite, you need this. This is a must have. You need the YSL Lash Clash mascara. You need it. It is bomb. It is, again, this is a little pricey. I'm not gonna lie, it is pricey. And I'm gonna link everything in the description so that y'all can click them and buy them if you want to. But it is perfect for the girls who don't want to wear lashes, want a good mascara that gives you that volume. This mascara is it. The YSL Beauty Lash Clash is a must-have. Okay. When it comes to brushes, I love BK Beauty brushes. Oh my gosh. They just sent me over another one that I haven't used yet, but these BK Beauty brushes are amazing. This is a concealer brush and this is a foundation brush. I love them. These are staples. I used to be a Real Techniques brush girl, which I do have some of them still that I use, but when it comes to my foundation, my concealer, must have. These brushes are it. Absolutely 100%, 10 out of 10. Okay. Blush. She's that girl. This is NYX Professional Makeup Buttermelt Blush. Powder. This is so, it's just so good. It's the perfect tone. It's just everything. A little goes a long way. A little, hear me, it goes a long way. It is so good. So you absolutely need it. And she's affordable. Affordable. Okay. And when it comes to lippy, my favorite lip liner, we know MAC Chestnut. But if I could find it, Trendsetter by Morphe is another staple in my lip liners, and also Cola by Juvia's Place. So those are like my 3 favorite. I know I should have one, but I can't. Those are just like, I just love them. I love them. So I go between my Coca-Cola Beauty Soca. This is the Powdy Gloss. And then I also like my NYX Butter Glosses. I like these a lot. Very affordable. This one's a little bit more pricey, but this is also like, again, very affordable. I'm a gloss girl. I don't like matte anything. I don't want to be matte. I want to be dewy. I want to be glossy. I want to look like the sun is hitting my face and you can see the shine. I'm a girl who wears Vaseline on my face. I don't want to be matte. So when it comes to a gloss, these are staples in my makeup routine. When it comes to setting my face, I go between, like, a must-have for me has always been the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Absolutely. But I also love, in this hot heat, it is the One Size On Till Dawn setting. This is a little bit pricey. This is a mini, because that big one is a little pricey. I need to get a new one. But you can also, again, get the setting spray from Morphe. So yeah, those are just a few of my favorites. I couldn't even pick more 10 because I have so many. But I love these products. I use them. I'm a girl who, I stick to what I know, what works for my skin tone, what I like. And I stick to that. I do like to try new things, but I do also like to just stick to what I know works well for my face, and that's what you should do. So these are just some of my favorites. I'm gonna drop the links all in the description if you want to shop any of them. And let me know in the comments, what are your favorites? Let me know some of the things that you love and that you're feeling when it comes to makeup at this time of your life. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, of course. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the beauty room soon. Bye.